Hello everyone, today I'm going to demonstrate you how to find the frequency of AC main using sonometer. In order to perform this experiment, we required sonometer wooden box with two shoes, electromagnet with electromagnet transformer of 8 volt and a slotted weight of approximately 2.5 kg in a 500 grams step. Now first, in order to perform this experiment, we arrange all the apparatus according to this diagram. Now in performing this experiment, first we calculate the uh, mass per unit length of this wire. After that, we put a weight of approximately 500 grams in steps. At present, I have slotted approximately 1 kg. Now, when we switch on the transformer, I adjust these two in such a position that the maximum vibration is obtained. When we obtain the maximum vibrations, note down the value of this shoe 1 and shoe 2 and put this value here. This is the total mass on the hanger. Here we calculate the tension by using formula T is equal to mg. We find the resonance in two steps, first in increasing and second in decreasing. In case of increasing, we just take the shoes from this position to these positions, and in case of decreasing, we take the shoe from this position to this side and from this position to this side, and we find the resonance length for 2.5 kg in steps, and put all these value here, and then we find out the mean length, and after that we calculate the frequency with the help of this formula, and we calculate the mean frequency here.